Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps location to Instagram. So guys, first of all, open your Google Maps application on your phone. Then you're going to select the location you want to share to Instagram. And for example, I'm going to pick a random location. So I'm just going to tap on this location. Okay, after that, we just need to click on the share button right here, guys. And on this share button, we can tap on the copy link or copy to clipboard right here. And after the link has been copied to the clipboard, we can go to our Instagram application. You're going to click on your profile or open your profile on Instagram. Tap on this button. Okay, and we can tap on this edit profile right here, guys. Tap on edit profile and you're going to add the Google Map links to your profile. You can tap on add link. Okay, then you can tap on the add external link right here. Then just tap and hold on the screen, then click on paste. Okay, then you're going to put the title, and for example, I'm going to put shop. And once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark button. Okay, and now the link has been added to our Instagram bio. So we can go back to our profile to check the results, but before it, we can tap on this check mark button. Okay. All right, and this is the Google Maps location that we have just added to our Instagram profile. All right, guys, and that's how we can add Google Maps location to Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.